Okay, it's been a while, but we're going to do another workshop tour of where we're up to today. So yeah, welcome to the Metric Nut. Okay, first we're going to start with one that arrived just the other day. It's a early sort of 60s Kombi, but that's about where it finishes. It's had a lot of metal work by a local fabricator. I'll put his link in the description, as the YouTubers say. He's very good at what he does, and he's done a lot of work in the interior here and also on the back end, which I'll show you. So it's some fantastic stuff there. We'll probably get into more detail about that a bit later as the year goes on. So there we go here, but probably what the real surprise is what we got in here. Just get into that. So we've got some gas strap things in here. So that's the engine bay, not your average Kombi. And then, so I'm not really very well prepared here, but here we go. And some of you may recognise that, but that is what a 3 litre 911 engine looks like in the back of a Kombi. So yeah, that's a project we're going to get on with soon for the owner. Type 34. It's now back in our hands, and we're through the assembly process. So we've started with just fitting some latches and the wiring loom, and also we're about to put some sound deadening in. So yeah, that's coming along well. And then we've got 356 in here just for a little bit of work. A leaking fuel pump. So yep, even the high-end cars have sort of simple problems, so should be getting that repaired later today, hopefully. Lovely wee car, 356B. You've seen the video on that one. It's basically all ready to go. Done some little upgrades on the back to get the braking a bit better. We've gone for some 4-pot calipers on the rear to get the braking a bit more even, and redone some fuel lines, so that's just waiting to complete cert. You've got this Kombi here. Sorry, it's up on the hoist, a little bit unprepared, but I thought really quite keen to get a video out. This one here, we're doing the narrowed beam, drop spindles, straight axle conversion, and we're putting a 1911cc Type 4 engine into it. So that should be a pretty good wee van, nice and strong, sort of good runner with sort of that lovely Type 4 torquey power. So yeah, the engine and gearbox will be coming out of that soon. We've also just done that steering box raise. We just installed that the other day, so you can sort of see that in there. So that's good. And then also we're just on the getting very close to this one. Had a talk with the owners, and they just want a couple more things completed on it, and that's including fitting some sound deadening, which we just started on yesterday. So there you go, there's the start of it. We're going to fill in some holes and finish it off a little bit. We've got just got the rear windows getting freshened up, and I've got some things coming back from the powder coater, and then they should be going back to the owners, and then they're going to be dropping off another one. So yeah, it's all pretty good and busy here. So that's it. A quick walk around tour, where we're at. Got more beams on the go. You can see one down there. It's just being finished. We've got lots more bits going. We've got a few engine builds on the go. Probably about four engine builds on the go. They're all sort of over 2 litre, so some people getting some serious. And we just got this gearbox, which will be off to Wellington probably early next week for a 55 Kombi. You can see that's a special mount on the front there and so on. Running Type 3 brakes for a straight axle conversion. So yeah, all pretty busy here. Yeah, another Type 4 halfway through a rebuild there. Just need to wash all that up and get it ready for the rebuild. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Let us know if you've got any questions, or you'd like to know anything more about what we're up to, and we'll try and give you that sort of details and stuff like that. So yep, cheers.